जय गुरु जी की। अब हम मंत्र जाप करेंगे। नमः शिवाय। शिव जी सदा सहाय। नमः शिवाय। गुरुजी सदा सहाय। नमः शिवाय। शिव जी सदा सहाय। नमः शिवाय। गुरुजी सदा सहाय।
Jai Guruji, Jai Satsang Ji. I'll be reading two satsangs today. The first one is a series of satsang by Dr. M. Bajaj, a private medical practitioner from Faridabad. A dog gets to the heart of the matter. I came to Guruji for the admission of my younger son in the Bachelor's of Dental Surgery BDS course, and despite my efforts, he could not get admission. I was interested in Manipal BDS particularly. Guruji blessed my son, who completed his MBBS with first class in all exams. My elder son is also a doctor who lives in Chandigarh. He is happily married and doing fine professionally in Chandigarh. I am a dental surgeon practicing in Faridabad. After coming under Guruji's Sharan, I have undertaken many difficult jaw surgeries, complicated because of the health problems of the patients. But with Guruji's blessing, they all went fine. Patient always came happy out of the surgery with no complaints. My daughter was trying to get into fashion design and technology course in the Pearl Academy of Fashion Designing. She passed the written exam and gave a good interview but was not selected. As I was worried about my daughter's career, I went to Guruji. It was Wednesday, which is not a Sangat day. I knew that, but still I went via Bhadrapur to Mehali Road. I met with a serious accident with a DTC bus. I was not injured, but my car was smashed. The bonnet lifted up, the radiator, AC grill, and the front lights were all damaged. However, the car still ran, and after 15 to 20 kilometers, I reached Guruji's place with the bonnet up. Guruji was not there. I was told Guruji will come very late at night. As I was returning, Guruji came in the front of me. Guruji saw me. I was standing with folded hands and weeping. Guruji stood there for 5 minutes and went inside. I was offered prasad and langar. Guruji conveyed his message to me that my life had been saved. A new car would come and there was nothing to worry about. I was to return to my house and everything would be fine. I took the car back. In the morning, when Hyundai people came to take the car for repairs, they had to tow it and could not believe it, that it was running condition after the accident, and then it had moved 50 kilometers with its AC on. As there was no water in the radiator, the battery was not working and the AC was damaged. Still, the car ran for 50 kilometers with Guruji's blessing, and I bought a new car after the accident. Moreover, a special interview call came for my daughter. She got admission on Guruji's birthday, 7th July. I was in Guruji's Mandir at 11 a.m. on that day when she was selected. My daughter did very well in her course and received 2 scholarships. This has all happened with the blessings of Guruji. In the last 2 to 3 years, my practice has entered a dull period. It became hard for me to meet the expenses of the family, fully depended upon me. I wanted to sell my house and leave the profession. I became frustrated with my financial problem. A devotee told Guruji about my condition and as did my elder son. My problem was solved. With the blessings of Guruji, with the very same clinic, I was able to run my house happily and also pay back my debts. During this time, I prayed to Guruji. My faith is in my Guruji and has always paid me back. I have got Guruji Mandir in my home and in my clinic. The Gurbani which we listen to at the Sangat is always played in my clinic. Most of my patients ask me about Guruji and enjoy Gurbani in my clinic. Guruji operates on a patient. 4 to 5 years ago, a 73-year-old woman living in America with her son came to me for a major surgery involving bone grafting of the jaw. US doctor has refused to operate on her because the patient has high BP which could reach 160 to 180 HEMM and even touch 200 HEMM. In Delhi too, no doctor has been keen to operate. I also refused. They persisted. I said I was sorry. The daughter of the patient saw Guruji's photo in my clinic and told me to operate. She believed that Guruji was with me. Nothing untoward would happen. I arranged for the operation. The operation was done under general anesthesia and took 2 to 3 hours. During the operation, the anesthetist told me twice that the patient was sinking. But it was successful surgery. The patient told her daughter that she saw Guruji twice attired in white clothes and that he talked to her and assured her that she would be all right. There was no problem after the operation and the lady did not have any swelling or pain. The patient told me that she was a follower of Sai Baba, but Guruji had given her a new life. She took a photograph of Guruji from me. The 73-year-old who has been surviving on painkillers for the last 2 years told me that she did not take a single painkiller after the operation. This happened only because of Guruji's blessings. I think the operation was not done by all 3 doctors involved in it, but by my Guruji. My friend is helped out. My friend's little girl of 8 years was suffering from a serious heart valve problem, and has been advised an operation at Escorts Medical Center in Delhi. The operation was fixed, and I prayed for the girl's health to Guruji and gave the parents the flowers and prasad given to me by Guruji. She was operated upon Escorts Medical Center but was very critical. I went to Guruji and said, "Sab theek ho jayega, everything would be fine." I went to Escorts and at 1 o'clock at night and met the parents. They were disturbed. I told them to take the prasad and everything would be fine. Guruji gave me a photograph to be given to them and to be placed in the girl's room. As Guruji had predicted, the girl recovered. But she has been seriously ill after 1 year and advised another operation. Guruji was at Jalandhar at that time. Guruji told me not to worry, everything would be fine. He said, "Tum langar kar, chinta na kar, khud hi theek ho jayega. Have langar, the girl will be okay." She again became all right and is now leading a happy life. Once Guruji went to his hometown in Punjab, I did not come to know about his whereabouts, and after 10 days of not having his darshan, I was unable to sleep and was feeling very upset. I went to Guruji's place after seeing a late night show at PVR Second with my wife. At the Andhera turnaround, the front tire of my car burst and my car tilted onto one side. I stopped the car and towed it away. With my wife's help to a place where two trucks were parked. I asked one of the drivers to change my tire. They came for help, but believe me, there was no sign of puncture. The truck drivers took me for a drunk. My wife and I had seen the tire and had towed my car to a fair distance. We were shocked and could not go to Guruji's place. At my wife's behest, I got the tire checked at a petrol pump and it was all right. My wife told me to get it checked at Faridabad again. I got the tire opened in the morning and the tube and the tire were fine. Guruji's blessing had wrought another miracle. There are very few of my experiences. As there is no end to the sea, there is no end to Guruji's powers. I would like to always live as a follower of Guruji. His basics ABC: don't abuse, blame or curse. My Guruji is God's special gift to mankind. He was born to show people the right way to live life with blessings. Those who get his blessing are the luckiest people on earth, and I am one of them. Though I say my Guruji, he is for everybody and not only for me. I came across so many people in daily life, usually patients in my clinic, and they want to know Guruji's name. I tell them Guruji is just known as Guruji. He has no name as God has no name. You can call him Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Guru Nanak, and Allah. And Guruji can easily take the devotion you offer in the form you want to him to. My Guruji has got the power of Lord Shiva and the spiritual power of Sri Guru Nanak Ji. Once nature changes after meeting the Guru, one becomes a better person with fewer weaknesses and enjoys life more. Guruji's affection can be compared only to motherly love. When he sees you from wherever he is, his eyes reflect the rays of the divine. Only when you have surrendered yourself to him completely, with truth, without ifs and buts and questions, and with full faith, then you feel him inside yourself. I know the only way to seek his blessing is to pray truly. When you pray, the divine feeling of being in Guruji enters you and remains with you. You should never ask for anything in return, as written in the Bhagavad Gita. I often ask myself, what can we give back to Guruji? My heart says the only thing we can do is follow his advice faithfully. He rarely asks anyone to do anything. If you are lucky enough, he may and is guaranteed that you will always benefit by it. We are all small creatures in front of him, but he takes care of all of us, the same way a mother takes care of her kids. I would like to request our Sangat to always think of Guruji and always follow the path shown by Guruji. We should always surrender to him in totality and follow his basic ABC. Never abuse anybody, never blame anybody, never curse anybody, and always wish the best for anybody who comes across our daily life. Now, the second satsang is narrated of Gaurav Maharwa, and the title is Answering a Couple's Silent Prayers. Gaurav Maharwa ran a business in Sardar Bazaar, Delhi, which was not doing too well. He was advised by his cousin to visit Guruji. He and his wife went to Guruji on their motorbike. His wife, who sat in the rear of the bike, would pray to Guruji to do something so they could have a more comfortable ride. Soon the business began doing well, and in less than a month, the couple bought a car. They thought they had a stroke of good luck. An old devotee pointed to Guruji's invisible hand in the affair, but the couple could not see it. Gaurav's wife said she would be convinced only if Guruji recognized her. The next time they came, Guruji casually mentioned how many Muslims from Janakpuri were coming to Sangat. Then he amended his statement to say that he was referring to Muslims from the Trans Yagna area. Now Gaurav's wife happened to be a Muslim living in Janakpuri. But within a few weeks of Guruji's statement, the couple shifted to the Trans Yamuna area and she got pregnant. Days passed and the lady went for checkup. Doctors warned of complication and advised the couple to have an abortion. Devotees told the couple that since they were coming to Guruji's, nothing would happen. Nothing would go wrong and they would keep their faith. They kept coming to Guruji and later the lady gave birth to a beautiful girl. In 2005, only on Guruji's birthday, Guruji called Gaurav's wife and told her that she had become too fat. She smiled and went away. Less than a month after Guruji had spoken, without exercising, joining a slimming course or dieting, she lost over 15 kg. The couple's first impression that they had thought had bought a car by chance was mistaken. As Guruji himself often said, nothing is by chance, everything is by choice. And only he can make a choice because he is God.
Jai
Jai Guruji, Jai Satsang.
Jai Samaj.